As indicated by the most recent long-haul estimate, Algorand cost will hit $0.2 by the center of 2024 and afterward $0.3 toward the finish of 2025. Algorand will ascend to $0.4 inside the extended period of 2027, $0.5 in 2028 and $0.7 in 2033. Algorand value forecast 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.2053. Today, Algorand exchanged at $17.6021, so the cost expanded by 16% from the start of the year. The Guaj Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.42, and the year-to-year change plus 86%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 60%. In 2024, we hope to see $44 per 1 Algorand. In the primary portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $55. In the final part, the cost would add $09 and close the year at $0.64, which is plus 144% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $0.64 to $1.18, which is up 84%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $0.64, then, at that point, take off to $0.68 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.74. That implies plus 182% from today. Algorand expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $1.18 to $1.53, which is plus 30%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $1.18, then, at that point, dip to $1.11 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $1.17. It is about plus 346% from today. So 3152 into 4. Algorand value forecast 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.2253. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.2912, so the cost expanded by 29% from the very start of the year. The estimated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.66 and the year-to-year change plus 193%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 127%. In 2024, we hope to see $1.55 per 1 Algorand. In the principal half of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $85. In the final part, the cost would lose $0.05 and close the year at $1.80. Which is plus 175% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $0.80 to $1.11, which is up 39%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $0.80, then, at that point, take off to $0.85 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.92. That implies plus 216% from today. Algorand expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $1.11 to $1.55, which is plus 40%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $1.11, then, at that point, take off to $1.18 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.25. It is about plus 329% from today. 3s and 1-2s into 4. Algorand value forecast 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.2253. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.2181, so the cost diminished by 3% from the very start of the year. The anticipated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.42 and the year-to-year change plus 86%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 93%. In 2024, we hope to see $35 per 1 Algorand. In the principal half of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $54. In the final part, the cost would lose $03 and close the year at $51, which is plus 134% to the ongoing cost. Algorand expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $51 to $72, which is up 41%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $51. Then take off to $54 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $59. That implies plus 171% from today. Algorand forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $0.72 to $1.01, which is plus 40%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $0.72, then take off to $0.76 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $0.80. It is about plus 267% from today. 21524. Algorand value expectation 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.253. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.1859, so the cost diminished by 17% from the start of the year. The Guaj Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.48, and the year-to-year change plus 113%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 158%. In 2024, we hope to see $33 per one Algorand. In the principal half of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $56. In the last part, the cost would add $03 and close the year at $59, which is plus 217% to the ongoing cost. Algorand expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $59 to $101, which is up 71%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $59, then take off to $0.64 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.68. That implies plus 266% from today. Algorand forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $101 to $0.46, which is plus 45%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $101, then take off to $107 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $113. It is about plus 508% from today. Z21224. Algorand value forecast 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.2053. Today, Algorand exchanged at $0.562, so the cost diminished by 31% from the very start of the year. The anticipated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.35, and the year-to-year change plus 55%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 124%. In 2024, we hope to see $24 per one Algorand. In the main portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $0.41. In the final part, the cost would add $02 and close the year at $0.43, which is plus 175% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $0.43 to $0.71, which is up 65%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $0.43, then, at that point, take off to $0.46 inside the initial